Hey y'all! Today we're in East Tennessee and we're going to stay at Whispering River Campground in Walland, Tennessee. Walland is located in between Maryville and Townsend, Tennessee. It's just about an hour away from Pigeon Forge and Gatlinburg. Whispering River has 77 RV sites. They have 3 cabins and lots of tent sites. The RV sites are all full hookup with 30 and 50 amp power, water, and sewer. Each site has a small picnic table and a fire pit, and they do offer Wi-Fi here. We're staying on site number C6. We are on site C6, which is one of their pull-through sites in the middle. And you can see they're pretty small. Tell how we have the truck parked right there, but we have a little grassy area in the front. It has a picnic table and a fire ring. We have the rug put out because it's pretty muddy right here, and it is gravel from this part. And they are all full hookups. The resort also has a pool, a fitness center, a playground for the kiddos, and a bark park for Fido. They also have this nice big building in the middle of the camping area that has the laundry room and individual full bathrooms. Rooms. So here's one open right here. Oh, lights are automatic. So simple. And there are, let's see, there's 5 on this side, 6 on this side, and 1, 2, 4 on this side. They are all pretty much the same. I'll walk in here so they're small. There we go. So these are a little bit smaller. They all look like they're handicap accessible. Yeah, a little bit smaller.
Shower.
Alright, and then this end is the laundry room.
I like the shower right.
Have a little sitting area there and several washers and dryers. Okay, so washing is $2 a piece, and to dry, I don't know, it's probably, just start putting quarters in. Let's walk over and check out the pool before we go up to the office. Yet, we'll walk in the building right here. This is where the fitness room is. There's one of the cabins back there. No one under 16. Is alive. Okay. They have pretty much all the equipment you could want. Ellipticals and treadmills and free weights. And the powerhouse. Oh, balance. There you go.
That is not knee friendly.
Door must be locked, so this is nice. They have little covered picnic tables. Have a few lounge chairs around. The pool.
5 feet.
Oh yeah, it goes to 5 feet. That's pretty good. They have a drink machine there and the ice cream thing. A little fountain back here. Believe they have some koi in there. Don't see anything. I thought there was koi in there. It says the fish, like there's supposed to be fish in there. I don't see any. That's a pretty little fountain they made. The campground's located on the river, so you have easy access to swim or launch your kayak or fish. A lot of people go tubing here. The only thing really missing here is a camp store. They don't have one. They do offer firewood and ice, but that's about it. The office staff was very friendly. Oh, and they did have a book exchange up there. Oh, and they have a little playground right there. Oh, look at that cute little camper. That's all we need. Pull that behind the Subi. Yeah, yeah. Right.
Okay. Good deal. Thank you.
Oh, listen to that water. Drill or something going on, but Serenity Cabin, it's cute. Look at the bamboo.
Holy
Wow, that's some tall bamboo. Yeah, they're working on this. Oh, that one's got a hot tub up there. No pets. No pets in that one. Wow. You can see the campsites from here. All of those on this end, I believe that's the D or E side. You have to pull them in, so they're for motorhomes, I guess, and you can pull your fifth wheel in, or your tag along, whatever, your camper. Walk down here to the water. It's probably pretty muddy because it's been raining all day. But you can come right here and get in and swim, tube, kayak. And I think this is this part of Little Pigeon River? I think it is.
Little river, but I don't know if it's Pigeon.
Okay, I'll have to look on the map and see the name of it. Sure, yeah. Probably so.
West Pigeon, Walland, all that.
Yeah. And right here is the Otter House up on stilts. You'll see that it has the water access right there. And then there's one more down here. It looks empty, so we'll walk behind it. They have a picnic table under it and a little grill over there. Nice shaded. Love the wood on that house. And it also has the water access. You can hear traffic over there, so That's how close you are to the road. It is a little noisy when there's cars coming by. A nice view of the river. Good place to swim or tube. You just have to deal with the traffic right here. They have a fire ring right there too. And then the road goes on back that way. I think it says tent sites. We're not gonna walk down there right now though because it is muddy. Yeah, that sign up there says river tents. So the river tents are down there. And it is muddy today. Have a little bridge here for the golf carts to cross. And back here is just an open field. There was a really pretty sunflower field down there. I will insert a picture here. And right up there are the tent sites. I think they have about 10 of them. They're grass. They have a picnic table. Most of them have a fire ring. Not all of them do, but most of them do. Big open field. Let me walk right here just to show how these RVs are pulled in right here. And that'll show the tent sites. So you can see they have them separated just by little boards right there. Picnic table. Like I said, there's about 10 of them. And then these are the RVs. Unfortunately, they are all full, so we can't walk through. So we did do a full drive-through on this one, so if anybody's interested in that, y'all just let me know and I'll make a video on it. We enjoyed our stay here and would recommend this campground if you're looking for one close to the Smokies, but far enough away so you're not in the middle of all the chaotic traffic and stuff. We're in Tennessee for a few weeks, so y'all be sure and stay tuned, and we'll be sharing our adventures up here and a few more campgrounds. Thanks for watching today's video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button while you're here, and we'll see y'all on the next one.